Hello everyone and welcome to Exam Dost, my dear friends. I am back again with another notification for all of you, and this time this notification is from DRDO, Defense Research and Development Organization. And DRDL, Defense Research and Developmental Laboratory. Okay. Now they are advertising for the award of Junior Research Fellowship JRF. Walk-in interviews are there, beta. Walk-in interviews. No written test, no nothing. Just walk-in interview on 8th and 10th of August. Venue is DLUMI, DRDO Township, Kanchanbagh, Hyderabad. So they are conducting these interviews in Hyderabad. There is no other recruitment process. Okay. Now what are the vacancies? JRF Mechanical Engineering, 6 vacancies. So you need a BE BTech degree in mechanical from a UGC recognized university with a valid GATE score. Okay. So you need a valid GATE score, or MTech in first class from UGC recognized university with BTech first class from UGC recognized university. So both BTech students or the BTech pass outs as well as the MTech pass outs can apply. JRF in electrical and electronics and EC, triple E and EC, 2 vacancies are there. Same qualification is needed. BTech from a UGC recognized university or BTech plus MTech in a UGC recognized university. Then next is JRF 3, that is in aeronautical and aerospace. 2 vacancies are there. Okay. Now, if we move on, the stipend will be 31,000 plus HRA as per the DRDO rules. So the stipend is quite good along with the HRA you are getting. So it will be above 31,000. So it is the offer for a period of 2 years. Okay. Which can be extended to another 2 years, but they will not commit that from now on. That will be on the basis of the need. Medical facilities for yourself only will be available. Age limit is maximum of 28 years. On the closing date of advertisement. Application process is that you have to bring the duly completed application as per the enclosed format. So in this, there is a format that is there. You need to bring the completed application in that format, and you should write in bold letter application for JRF. Application for JRF recruitment on top of the envelope cover. Okay. Now, filled application should be brought with self-attested copies of date of birth, degree certificate, marks memos, that is the mark sheet, GATE score, caste certificate, NOC, and other testimonial. Copy of GATE scorecard, BE BTech marks are compulsory for the enclosed form. Okay, and if your college awards you CGPA or CPI, you need a conversion certificate to convert into percentage. Selection process will be that you will be shortlisted on the basis of your GATE score and your college percentage, and then your GATE paper and your qualifying degree must be related. Like electrical and electronics and ECE students should either have given GATE in ECE or you should have given GATE in electrical, because that is the related exam based on your degree. And if you are employed in a government job, you need to bring a NOC that your current employer does not have any objection with your application to DRDO. Working experience will always be preferred. Date and venue of the walk-in interview is 8th and 10th of August in the DRDO Township, Kanchanbagh, Hyderabad. And reporting time is 9 AM to 9:30 AM for those of you who are interested. Now, only those candidates who have already gotten degree or who do have a provisional certificate, that is they are completing their graduation in 2023. Right now they haven't gotten their final degree. Convocation is not yet done, but they have a provisional certificate. They are eligible to apply. That is, if you are in 3rd year right now, you are not eligible to apply. And you must have your own arrangement of stay and transport. Neither they are giving you lodging nor they are giving you transport for the interviews. And you should plan stay for 1 more day in case it gets extended to 1 more day. Don't just plan on 8th or 10th of August. Plan till at least 11th of August. You need to have original certificate, testimonials for proof of caste, age, educational, NOC. You must have a self-attested Xerox and original copy as well. Okay. If it may please be noted that offer of fellowship will not confer on candidate any right of absorption in DRDO. That is, if you get absorbed in fellowship, it is not necessary that they will recruit you for the long term. So this is for those people who are right now looking for certain source of income, who are very desperate about it. They can have that sort of a temporary arrangement. Okay. Award of fellowship shall not be claimed by any candidate as a matter of right. It shall be at the discretion of selection committee of lab, which may refuse to admit any candidate without assigning any reason therefore. Basically, if you are awarded fellowship and they don't want you, they can reject you later as well. So it is not your right that you will have to work in the lab. So the lab is responsible whether or not they want to take you. Number of vacancies may be increased or decreased, and they will not pay any travel allowance or dearness allowance to attend the interview. Okay. Now, they have given you number for queries. This is the application form, beta. Application form you have to fill up and you have to enclose along with your self-attested copies of certificate in an envelope. And on the top of envelope in bold letter, you have to write application for JRF. Okay. So mind you, let me tell you, this is not for everyone. This is only for those people who are looking for some source of income, because regularly I get inputs from many students, sir, we are looking for certain source of income. We are looking for a temporary source of income. We want to support our family. If you are that person, then definitely go for it. It can be a career changing opportunity for you, because you will be working in one of the most prestigious organizations of this country, which is responsible for the entire defense system of this country. So I hope you like this notification. If it is not for you, then please ignore. But if you liked it, do hit that like button and share it among everyone who needs it. Okay. Whoever is in need, please share it with them. And let me know if you have any questions regarding this. I'll be happy to revert you back in the comment section. And remember, if you are preparing for GATE 24 or GATE 25, right now our batches have a 20% price drop. It will be increased to the original price on 27th of July. So grab this opportunity before 27th of July and become a part of Exam Dost, become a friend of Exam Dost, your favorite exam preparation buddy. On 27th, we are starting a standalone machines course. There also you can get a 20% off if you apply the code EM20. But that again is valid only till 27th of July. And test series has a 10% discount using the code Ankit ESE. That also is valid till 27th of July. So I hope all of you enjoyed this video. Thank you and all the best.